Yo, what's good everyone? I think we're live. And let me just double check. We're trading today. Haven't been on in a while. It's my bad. But we're back because it's summer now. So we're going to be doing a little live stream today. We're just going to be looking at the market. Might take a couple trades. We'll see. Yeah, we're live. Sweet. Okay. The thumbnail low-key is rage bait. I don't think WW3 is going to happen. Obviously, there's been talks about it, but I don't think so. We'll take a look at Nvidia quickly. Nvidia low-key popping off today. We had a good Tesla trade here in the morning. I didn't actually get to fucking stream it, unfortunately, but it was a banger. It was a banger, straight to TP. It was nice. Looks like it's going to keep going as well. There's a gap fill down here. Probably not today, but you know, soon. Let's see how it reacts to this level here. Low-key did just break structure. Let me protect the low down here. High up here. We've got a fair value gap here as well. This is a balanced price range. Can look for longs here. I wouldn't really, it's not too far enough to be mitigated though. See how it reacts here. I low-key would expect something like this, like first tap into it, that creates liquidity, and then it would bounce back out. Oh my god, where is the... Obviously down low here as well. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, kind of what I expected. Where is the little path symbol? Something like... some shit like that. We also got to see how it reacts here. Okay, so we are getting that mitigation of this zone now. A little bit of volume here. There's a holy fair value gap here. If we can invert this, bro. The only thing I'm worried about here is we broke structure. We could look to respect this fair value gap and just continue lower as well. Look for this zone here. Could look for a trade like that. That would be nice if it returned. And this is Tesla, by the way. This is Tesla. That's okay. The stream's looking good. Right. It looks like it's going to reach back into that zone. This is all just internal structure anyway, because we still didn't hit. Didn't hit that high. We're reaching in, maybe expect displacement lower first, then it to reach back up. But so far this is a lower low than this, so I'm still overall bearish. And this is just 1 minute structure anyway, so this changes a lot. I've got it on my second monitor, I've got a 5 minute chart, and yeah. Yeah, we reached in, we didn't mitigate anything. We don't really want to break below this. If we can close out below, like above that, we can reach here, and then we can continue lower. Because right now this is literally just liquidity. So we want something like that. I mean, this is looking promising so far. If we can reach up now. That would be very nice. Here we go. Here's the reach up. Here is the reach up. Obviously, we want that second short position. We already took one earlier today. It was that. Inverse fair value up off of the change of character. Just keeping it simple. Keeping it simple. What risk reward is this? This is a 2.5 risk reward. So that's pretty good. This looks like a decent trade, honestly. I mean, we swept this liquidity here. Honestly, it could displace any time. Now, we obviously don't have to go up here. We do want to mitigate this first. We do want to mitigate here. So we want to see at least a tap here. This midpoint. Before we displace lower, but just to get that best risk to reward, we do want it there. And there's that obvious key zone here we found with the volume profile. But this is just more liquidity, honestly. This is just more liquidity. It's been zero mitigation. And like I said, we don't want to displace below this level either. Displacement meaning candle close below. So it's fine if we wick. So it's going to be a little bit choppy here. Let's take a look at Nvidia. 5 minute. Bullish, this is bullish. See two targets here, that and that. This would be nice, but I'm not sure if it would hit. This is all price action form today, so you never know. This is our protected low. If you wanted to take something, I see this here, but to me it doesn't look amazing. There's no like initial tap in. This is kind of boring, honestly. This is kind of boring. I'm liking the Tesla chart a lot more right now. Still wicking, like we said. I mean, we did say we get choppy here, but I didn't think it would get this choppy. I don't know what the hell it's doing. Yeah, this is kind of ass price action. It's kind of ass cheeks. Little bit dookie. Got my eye on Tesla on the 5 minute. my second monitor as well, so don't worry if anything happens. We'll switch right back over. I mean, we mitigated this fair value gap now. It's not a fat one, but if you reach further out, it lines with key zones. Let's do a little. Well, I mean, that is a little more convincing. The point of control is literally on where we want to see it reverse right now. I need to get second by second charts. But if we see reversal now, these could be good longs. And like we said, we can target this for first, take profit, this for second. Then we set stop loss here. Well, look at that. You could take that. You could easily take that. We've got resistance here. Look to take partials here.
Hi Archie. Hello.
Not bad, guys. Oh, Tesla displaced. Okay, so we are going to hit take profit, but we didn't get that mitigation. That is unfortunate. But what can you do? What can you do? This is no longer liquidity, it's protected eye. Now we can look for this as an inverted. Now if it's gonna reverse, we can't look at this as like a, oh well, this is like a low yeah, it's probably good. Go ahead and hit this. Good video. Probably gonna reject off of this and then go back down. If we look back here, there is some supply. That's why it's experiencing resistance. But I do. I mean, what do we have lower? Up on 1 hour. I mean, there's literally nothing. There's gap down here. That's drawing liquidity, I think. That is the draw. Getting a little push on Nvidia. Broke this. Can we? We can break that. The trade's good to go. The trade is good to go. Make sure to join the Telegram group, guys. It's free. Post trades on it every day. Well, every day I trade, obviously. I'm trying to get more into it now. Do we have anyone watching? I don't think so. That's alright. We still could reach to mitigate this. I don't. If we're looking at this from like a perspective, like a higher time frame perspective, this could still be seen as liquidity, and we could still reach. That might be what it's like waiting for. There's always a chance we could come back to this, mitigate, then reach. Because there's no break of structure until this low is broken. Technically. Unless you want to look at this as this is the high. I wouldn't say there's any change until this is broken. That is the stop loss level anyway. I think we may mitigate this, and that is just, yeah, I think I might have been looking at it a little bit wrong. It's the thing with these discretionary things, you don't really know what you're looking at until you see them play out. What SPY doing? Pretty much what Nvidia is doing. Let's take a look at our long. Strong resistance here. This is not good. Like I said, these were a little bit ass anyway, so I wouldn't fully trust these. You can always do it though. I mean, the trend is strong. Not financial advice. Okay, we're reaching back. This is interesting. Let's see if we can mitigate this time. Let's see. We've swept. We still haven't mitigated. Come on. You can enter here or here. If you, from a risk reward perspective, here is better. Okay, we've mitigated. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now we need to look for a reversal. Now we've got a fair value gap here. If this candle can close nicely, if this gets inversed, the trade is on. We'll enter a second position. Oh, how boring. Oh, how boring. It's still good. It's still good. It's just the original one. You can enter at this mitigation here. Obviously we don't want to inverse. fair value gap. So candle. This is a candle close stop loss. This is a candle close stop loss. This is a juicy trade. I'm liking this. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Very nice. Here we go. I'd say I'm very confident in this one. Wish we get stopped now. That would not be funny. Pushing, we're pushing. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. Cheeky 3.85 R trade. Jarvis, clip that. Clip that, Jarvis. There's also partials here. Partials at this low, please. But I'm very confident this will hit. That is a botty candle. If this trade hits, I'm going to come off. Give you my trade, and then I will dip. This thing, hurry up, bro. It's too hot outside to be sat in my room trading all day. Go enjoy the weather this summer, guys. UK weather. break even. Let's look at the reaction to this. This will be interesting. Like I said, this is candle close stop loss, so if we inverse this fair value gap, the trade's done. If not, though, we're good, I think. The way I do it is with candle closes. I know you take on more risk that way, but you see so many winning trades. You do. coming back again to this. This is very choppy price action today, guys. This was just gonna be a short stream. I might end it now and then post the result of the trade on the Telegram group. You can join that. It's in my bio. Just go to my account, go to my bio. Telegram groups on there. Yeah, and then I'll post a result in the stock section. I do still think it will win, but it's just taking way too long for me to just sit here and watch it. Okay, I'll see you guys there. Have a good day.